One of our top picks in London.4-star Radisson Blu Edwardian, new Providence Wharf offers elegant decor, free Wi-Fi and a gym. Blackwall and East India DLR stations are both 10 minutes walk away, and the O2 Arena and Excel Centre are easily accessible via the DLR. All rooms offer 350 thread count Egyptian cotton bedding, down pillows and Italian marble bathrooms, some with freestanding baths. All bedrooms feature premium skincare brand Ren toiletries. Guests also benefit from free high-speed Wi-Fi, USB charging sockets, and Samsung TVs offering up to 300 channels in multiple languages. The hotel's East River Spa offers a range of treatments with ESPA products as well as a sauna, steam room and 24-hour gym. Featuring floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the river, the intimate Scoff and Banter Canary Wharf features a basalt and blue steel bar and a riverside terrace. Do you like an offer? Please follow the link in description or on the video to view the details.